This review is of Paczki Bavarian cream filled donuts. And I'm sorry if I said the name wrong. I'm not very good at it. This has bioengineered ingredients in it. It does have milk, eggs, soy, and wheat in it as well. So it's a vegetarian, not vegan. And there's a long list of ingredients, including high fructose corn syrup, carrageenan, which we can't digest, so it causes gas. There's cellulose, which we can't digest either, and a bunch of other stuff in there. And it's probably kind of high in sodium, would be my guess. There's no nutrition facts for this, unfortunately. Bavarian cream is arguably one of my favorite flavors of custard. So let's give it a try. Now I tend to have, when it comes to sugar, I seem to be getting very sensitive to sugar. If I have more than a modest amount of sugar now, I get basically a blood sugar crash, which presumably is hyperglycemia, and makes me extremely sleepy. It happened this morning after eating a bunch of grapes, of all things, which surprised me. So in order to not have to take a nap for an hour or two, I'm going to drink a bunch of fiber right now. So between the lactase for the dairy and the fiber for the sugar, I should be able to survive this. I'm only going to have one. Ooh. I don't eat donuts very much anymore, partially because it's so hard to find vegan ones, but also just I'm not as big of a fan of them as I used to be. And I guess I'll go for this one here. These are really fairly heavily glazed, except for on the very bottom. And the very outside is like the skin is kind of firm, but the inside is soft. Unfortunately, there's not very much cream in here. And I can't really taste it, which is very disappointing. So I'm going to cheat. I'm going to get some of that out of there. Yeah, that's pretty disappointing. It's not really particularly sweet, but at the same time, it also doesn't have a nice, strong Bavarian flavor. And for me, that is a deal breaker. So it's okay. Not enough cream. Cream's not strong enough, and which makes it even worse for me. But it's not terribly sweet. So I'll give it 4.5. Thanks for watching and hope you have a great day.